Бұл жаттығу сөйлемдерді жаттап алуға арналған. Әр сөйлемді диктор 2 рет қайталайды. Содан кейін көрерменге сөйлемді өздігінен қайталау үшін уақыт беріледі.
Тренировка состоит из предложений, предназначенных для запоминания. Каждое предложение диктор повторяет дважды, после чего зрителю дается время для самостоятельного повтора.
To go.
To go.
I was going home slowly, thinking about my decision.
I was going home slowly, thinking about my decision.
I was not going to argue with him at that moment.
I was not going to argue with him at that moment.
Was I going in the right direction back then?
Was I going in the right direction back then?
I am going to the office now to finish an important task.
I am going to the office now to finish an important task.
I am not going anywhere tonight.
I am not going anywhere tonight.
Am I going too fast for you?
Am I going too fast for you?
I will be going abroad next year to study the language.
I will be going abroad next year to study the language.
I will not be going back to that job.
I will not be going back to that job.
Will I be going alone this time?
Will I be going alone this time?
You were going to the meeting calmly and confidently.
You were going to the meeting calmly and confidently.
You were not going to give up despite the pressure.
You were not going to give up despite the pressure.
Were you going too fast when I called you?
Were you going too fast when I called you?
You are going in the right direction now.
You are going in the right direction now.
You are not going back to the past anymore.
You are not going back to the past anymore.
Are you going to work or staying at home today?
Are you going to work or staying at home today?
You will be going through important changes soon.
You will be going through important changes soon.
You will not be going alone through this process.
You will not be going alone through this process.
Will you be going the same way as before?
Will you be going the same way as before?
He was going to work even though he felt exhausted.
He was going to work even though he felt exhausted.
He was not going to change his decision then.
He was not going to change his decision then.
Was he going in the opposite direction?
Was he going in the opposite direction?
He is going through a difficult stage in life.
He is going through a difficult stage in life.
He is not going abroad this month.
He is not going abroad this month.
Is he going home after the meeting?
Is he going home after the meeting?
He will be going to a new position next year.
He will be going to a new position next year.
He will not be going against his principles.
He will not be going against his principles.
Will he be going with us tomorrow?
Will he be going with us tomorrow?
She was going along the river, enjoying the silence.
She was going along the river, enjoying the silence.
She was not going to answer immediately.
She was not going to answer immediately.
Was she going home alone that evening?
Was she going home alone that evening?
She is going through an important learning process.
She is going through an important learning process.
She is not going back to that place anymore.
She is not going back to that place anymore.
Is she going in the same direction as you?
Is she going in the same direction as you?
She will be going toward her goal, step by step.
She will be going toward her goal, step by step.
She will not be going back on her words.
She will not be going back on her words.
Will she be going abroad for work?
Will she be going abroad for work?
It was going well until something unexpected happened.
It was going well until something unexpected happened.
It was not going according to the plan.
It was not going according to the plan.
Was it going too slowly for you?
Was it going too slowly for you?
It is going in the right direction now.
It is going in the right direction now.
It is not going as expected.
It is not going as expected.
Is it going too fast for the team?
Is it going too fast for the team?
It will be going more smoothly with time.
It will be going more smoothly with time.
It will not be going unnoticed.
It will not be going unnoticed.
Will it be going in the same direction?
Will it be going in the same direction?
We were going toward a shared goal together.
We were going toward a shared goal together.
We were not going in circles anymore.
We were not going in circles anymore.
Were we going the right way at that time?
Were we going the right way at that time?
We are going through important changes together.
We are going through important changes together.
We are not going back to old habits.
We are not going back to old habits.
Are we going in the same direction now?
Are we going in the same direction now?
We will be going forward step by step.
We will be going forward step by step.
We will not be going back without results.
We will not be going back without results.
Will we be going together tomorrow?
Will we be going together tomorrow?
You were going to the city together.
You were going to the city together.
You were not going to cancel the trip.
You were not going to cancel the trip.
Were you going too far with that idea?
Were you going too far with that idea?
You are going in the same direction now.
You are going in the same direction now.
You are not going against the rules.
You are not going against the rules.
Are you going home after the lesson?
Are you going home after the lesson?
You will be going through a new stage soon.
You will be going through a new stage soon.
You will not be going alone through this.
You will not be going alone through this.
Will you be going abroad next year?
Will you be going abroad next year?
They were going through serious changes together.
They were going through serious changes together.
They were not going in the wrong direction then.
They were not going in the wrong direction then.
Were they going home when you called them?
Were they going home when you called them?
They are going toward a common goal now.
They are going toward a common goal now.
They are not going back to old mistakes.
They are not going back to old mistakes.
Are they going in the same direction as us?
Are they going in the same direction as us?
They will be going forward despite difficulties.
They will be going forward despite difficulties.
They will not be going against their values.
They will not be going against their values.
Will they be going together tomorrow?
Will they be going together tomorrow?